Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're having a great day. If you are, that's really good and I'm happy for you. But anyway, today's video, as you saw by the title, it's taking 100 Polaroids in 24 hours. I guess this is a challenge. I just thought it would be fun because I'm in the mountains right now and it's fall up here and I have a bunch of Polaroid film that I got in like 7th grade and I still have to use it. And then I thought it would be fun to put all the pictures up into like one of those Polaroid walls that you see. So let's get started with taking the 100 pictures. So I'm just gonna start right outside here and get some like up close pictures of, I don't know, rocks, flowers, animals, whatever. We'll have to see. First one, let's see how that turned out. Okay, so this one kind of went poorly. It's extremely overexposed, but let's do better for the other 99 and hope they all don't turn out like this. Cause this, it's, you can kind of see what it is, but it's not very good. So for these 5, I did not realize that my camera was not on the right settings, so that's why they're all super overexposed. But then I adjusted it and it looks like this. But now I'm gonna shoot some like kind of out the window here because I think that'll kind of look cool, like the indoor mixed with the outdoor, if that makes sense. So these ones are actually turning out really well. Finally, the exposure is correct. There are literally 10 of these ones that are super overexposed and kind of remind me of a horror movie. But you know what? Not all of them are gonna be perfect. So now obviously I'm in the car. I decided to drive around and get some more pictures of some cool views. Let's go find a good photo spot. Somehow I ended up in a parking lot, but this parking lot's really cool because there's like a ton of aspens and stuff right here. So I'm just gonna go take a couple of pictures. They're currently developing. They actually look pretty good. You can actually see the colors in them. So some of these are definitely better than others. Like this one's a little overexposed, but like this one is good. I really like this one. This one's good too. All of the ones that are like kind of not shooting directly into the sun look good. This one's just kind of the ground. This one, this one, this one. I'm gonna get some more in this area because I really like this spot. It's really pretty. So these ones up on the dash are still developing, but these ones, I just took these ones. These look really good and I'm glad that I'm starting to finally get the hang of, you know, taking the pictures without them looking like a white blob. I have 57 out of the 100 and now I am hungry, so I'm gonna go eat lunch and then I'll take more pictures. I just ate lunch. I had a sandwich in case you were wondering. I'm in this parking lot and I'm just gonna take the pictures through the windshield, even though that might not be the best place, but there are a ton of people out here without masks on, so I'm just gonna do it from in the car, whatever. I don't want to get COVID. Okay, anyway, let's take these pictures. Here are the ones that I got. Some of them actually look pretty good, even though they're like kind of filtered through the car window, but I kind of like that aesthetic. Some of the other ones I accidentally shot into the sun, so then it looks a little bit weird there, but a lot of these are actually pretty good. This one's still developing. And then I also kind of took one of the vlog camera because I thought that looked kind of cute. I like the little spot of yellow in these. It's really cute. Let's go to a different location now. Next location, maybe the last location, I'm not sure. I just came to the top of this pass up here. There's very pretty views. I literally just closed my hair in the door because it was so windy. So with these ones now I have 77, so 23 left. So how am I in college math? I can't even add stuff in my head. So we have this one, and honestly, this one is just kind of the sky. It didn't really show up. This one, that one looks cool. This one of these rocks, this one, that one, that's a cool view. This one, and another overexposed one. Wonderful. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do now. I may take a few more out the window, but I'll see you at the next location. Okay, so it's the next day, but still within the 24-hour range, so we're good. We're still following the challenge. And I just thought I would take the remaining 20 or so pictures in the backyard because the backyard just reminds me of fall. It's like all overcast today and there are leaves on the ground, so you know, fall. Also, it's like 40 degrees out. That's why I am wearing winter clothes. Let's get these remaining pics. That's a cool leaf. So these ones are developing. Three more left. And here we go, number 100. Challenge completed. Let's go put up the wall now. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna put the Polaroid wall right here on this blank wall. I think these will look good there. 100, or actually that's 50, and 100. So I laid all of these out in a nice contrasting way. Even like the bad ones, I think kind of like contrast well with the darker ones. So now I'm just gonna stick some poster strips on them and put them up. Ta-da! So there we go, there we have it, the Polaroid wall. There's 100 up here. I think it looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. I think it adds a lot to this wall, which didn't have anything on it before. I'd recommend doing this challenge, or even just putting up a Polaroid wall. If you have a lot of Polaroid film that you want to like use and stuff, or you have some Polaroids lying around, put up a Polaroid wall, because why not? But anyway, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this challenge and then this wall setup. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to. Comment down below what your favorite color is. Subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!